This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight bulb replacement. Outer taillight. Open the liftgate. Using a torque screwdriver, remove the outer taillight fasteners. Carefully pry and pull the outer taillight housing rearward to release it from the inner retaining studs, then disconnect the electrical connector from the taillight housing. To replace the outer taillight marker bulb, rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. Then pull the bulb straight out of the bulb holder. Do not pull on the wiring harness if connected. Install the new bulb into the holder by pushing it firmly into place. Reinstall the bulb holder into the taillight housing by aligning the tabs and rotating it clockwise until it is secure. Connect the electrical connectors to the taillight housing and push firmly into place. Align the retaining studs and push the housing firmly onto the body. Install the taillight housing fasteners and tighten them securely. Inner taillights. Open the liftgate. Using a trim tool, pry off the inner taillight access panel from the liftgate. Push the sound insulation towards the center of the liftgate, then disconnect the electrical connector to the inner taillight housing. Remove the inner taillight housing fasteners. Using a screwdriver, depress the locking clips, then remove the inner taillight from the liftgate. Align the retaining studs on the inner taillight housing with the holes in the liftgate, then install the housing onto the liftgate and start the retaining nuts by hand. Tighten the inner taillight housing nuts securely. Connect the electrical connector to the inner taillight housing and push firmly into place. Then pull the sound insulation back into place and install the access cover to the liftgate trim panel.